Number 37, a ball is dropped from a height h. A second ball is thrown from the ground with an initial velocity v naught. At what time do the balls pass each other? Well, the balls are going to pass each other when they both meet at the same point. So where will they meet? Let's see, where will they meet? Where will they meet? They're going to meet when y, the height for y1, equals the height for y2. So this one is, this is the first instance, and this is the second instance. All right. We're going to call the upward direction positive. And we're going to use the relationship between position and time in the y direction. So we have y equals y naught plus v naught yt plus 1/2 gt squared. But again, since we're moving in, we're calling upward direction positive, it's going to be minus gt squared. All right. So for the first situation on the left here, we're going to have, they're going to meet at that position y, and the initial height for the first one is something that they're calling h. And since it has no initial velocity, we're going to say it's h minus gt squared. And for the second scenario, this should be an equal sign. For the second situation, again, it's going to meet at that same position. But at this case, we have no initial height, but we do have an initial velocity, v naught t, again, minus 1/2 gt squared. Right? So what we need to do now to get that is subtract number 2 from number 1. And what we're going to get is y equals h minus v naught t. And if we solve for t, it's going to equal h over v naught, which is e.